Ride in 2012 GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, clock, fog lights, power door locks, trip computer, child safety locks, daytime running lights, airbags, driver, knee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.